Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got a CN Freight here at Dorval. You can see that the train dips down a little further than the CP tracks do for the bridge there. This is heading westbound at about 3:30 p.m. on the 28th of April 2023. A really nice day ahead of probably 7 days of rain, so I decided I'd come here and do some train spotting for a little while, since my arm, my clavicle is still healing up and I can't do any biking. It's been a while since I've been to this area. I wanted to come to this side because I want to get the, what is it, 133, CP 133. Haven't seen it yet. It's been a long time since I've been to this spot here on Marshall Avenue. In the foreground there is the switch stand. That's actually for a little siding that goes off into I think it's Corning or something like that. It's this, basically this plant here. They have some tank cars in there, and every now and then the G95 will come and switch that. Ontario Northlands. I don't think the Ontario Northlands has new cars with the chevron on it. I think they have a different symbol now. Their locomotives definitely don't have the chevron anymore, which was probably one of the nicer paint schemes. My personal favorite was the 2000s paint scheme from Ontario Northlands with the blue and yellow and dark blue there. It did have a chevron on it, although not the big chevrons from the previous paint scheme. Which is odd. I would like to say that Ontario Northlands is ordering venture cars for their Northlander, which is crazy. There's an Ontario Northlands, an old boxcar heading up the end of the train. Well, if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. Oh yeah, and to finish my thought there, Ontario Northlands getting some venture train cars. 3 sets. They're ordering 3 sets for the Northlander, and it'll be identical to the Via train sets, except painted in their, you know, iconic Ontario Northlands paint scheme, which is the blue and yellow, and it's kind of like an arrow on it. Anyway, have a good day.